By the grace of Sri Sri Gaurnitai, Sri Sri Radha Giridhari, Sri Jagannath Subhadra Baladev, and all the devotees of ISKCON in Pacific Beach, San Diego. Today, Amogha-lila Dasa Brahmachari and others will be conferred the sacred thread and the mantras, certain Gayatri mantras will be conferred upon them. In accord with Srila Prabhupada's desire to create a new class of Brahmanas to lead society. I especially mentioned the name Amogha-lila Dasa Brahmachari as he is my disciple, and others who are taking this initiation today are disciples of other gurus within Srila Prabhupada's International Society for Krishna Consciousness. It's a very great responsibility. We shouldn't just think of it as a formality, that you get a thread and then you move up a notch in the status, in the pecking order. It's not like that. It's the responsibility to be an ideal devotee. Brahmanas are supposed to be ideal and set an example for others. Their life is meant to be absorbed in Brahma, in the spirituality. So they're expected to be very scholarly in the sense that, not that you have to become a bookworm type, but should have the habit of regularly studying Shastra, memorizing verses, living according to the Shastra, being very clean. There's so much Srila Prabhupada has written about this. Those who are Brahminically initiated also have the opportunity and the privilege to serve the deities directly by offering aratis, performing the puja, dressing the deities, offering bhoga to the Lord, cooking offerings for the Lord. So it's a great opportunity. Especially Brahmanas, they're supposed to know the Shastra and preach the Shastra. Others can also do that, but that is especially incumbent upon Brahmanas. So please take this very seriously. Although many devotees are initiated as Brahmanas, unfortunately, not all live as Brahmanas in the sense of patan, yajan, dana, pratigraha. The activities which distinguish Brahmanas from the other varnas. So please take this very seriously. Live your whole life as a Brahmana in Srila Prabhupada's service. It's not that everyone has to be a Brahmana in Srila Prabhupada's service. I'm talking about in terms of the Varna activities. But those who do take this initiation, you please study Gita, see the qualities which are given there. Shamo damas tapah shochang shanti arjavam evacha jnanam vijnanam astikyam brahma karma svabhavajam. Live according to those qualities, be an ideal devotee in the service of Srila Prabhupada and the whole Sankirtan movement. Hare Krishna. All glories to His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada. All glories to the devotees there who are kindly bringing others in. Kindly means with their compassion. Bring them in, training them up, and bringing them up. Hare Krishna.